Here's one of the bedrooms.
I can't believe you have your own elevator.
Yeah, you have your own elevator opening into the unit. Actually, that's right. There's an elevator opening into the unit, right? Right. So the elevator actually opens into the unit. You have your own key, and you're the only one that can come in through the elevators.
It's unbelievable.
And here's one of the bathrooms here. So again, short installment for Residence Club La Jolla, otherwise known as the Boutique Resort or La Jolla Boutique Resort. There's one of the bedrooms. Ensuite bathroom. I'm just going to do a virtual tour here. As we go back, here is your second bedroom, and there's an ensuite bathroom here. And it's got a soaker tub. Shower in the corner. Absolutely beautiful. Double sinks, marble. Really, absolutely wonderfully put together. And then this is your other bedroom overlooking the mountains in the back. And again, if I look out here over to the hill, Residence Club La Jolla is actually straight up to the hill over to the left and the next beach over. So if you want to come to Mazatlan, please check out different resorts. One of them is being Peninsula, whole ownership, or just go with points at the Residence Club La Jolla, otherwise known as Boutique La Jolla or La Jolla Boutique Resort. So come to La Jolla, Mazatlan. And then here's the third bedroom. Nicely appointed. So this is a virtual tour